how to draft a notice, takedown notice under Digital Millennium Copyright Act. Okay.
Some real examples of projects which I found listed on Upwork, and you can do this. And the reason people put these projects on Upwork is to save that kind of exorbitant cost. Okay, so this will be much cheaper, but still talent arbitrage we discussed is going to be very, very high. It is going to be profitable if you are in a developing country. Okay, look at this Instagram account takedown. I will tell you one more way to find out, or to double confirm whom to send it to. That is there in the law. Here's a template of a DMCA takedown notice. This you will get by email. Special section on how to reach out to foreign startups.
Out to foreign startups, right? Foreign startups, and the same method. You remember, you can use this to reach out to lawyers in foreign law firms, lawyers who are independently practicing abroad, all of that. But first, I'm going to show you startups. Why startups? Because startups are early stage startups, not successful billion-dollar startup, but a startup which is early stage. Okay, they are very hungry for people. They do not have enough people to help them. They do not have money to go to lawyers and spend a lot of money on lawyers. At that time, even if you are a newbie, even if you are having less experience, they are willing to tolerate that and get your help. Okay, so that's why startups. And we'll tell you a little bit. We'll tell you actually how to reach out, what to write to the startup, but proposal, an offer, right? You're approaching with an offer, right? That is the idea. Here is what to write. So you guys must be thinking what to write. You told me so much, then tell me what to write also. Or we will show you a roadmap as to how you can learn this work. So all of you are saying that, okay, I know there is an opportunity. You have showed me how to find the opportunity, right? I have showed you opportunity, yes or no? Did I show you an opportunity? Are you seeing an opportunity that such work can be done for US companies, US law firms, US lawyers? Yes. Now, I also showed you how to reach out to people. This is the outreach, right? I showed you, yes. Now the third part, you are wondering that, but I have to know the work. How can I help them? What skills do I have? What work will I do for them? If you already know how to do the work, good enough, right? Otherwise, okay, this roadmap will help you how to prepare yourself, how to create the track record, how to learn the work. So you are getting into a very serious part. Are you ready for this? Once you have your goal really set, next is concrete steps. What do? We have a formula for career success that we follow. Okay, it always works. What is the formula? This is the formula, guys. Okay, take a screenshot. And this cycle of doing exercise and getting one-on-one feedback is our secret of success. This is why we are able to teach our students such high demand, rare legal skills, while nobody else in the industry even tries to do this. Is there anybody in the industry who does this? And bigger and bigger. Let me give you some examples of how you can learn these skills through exercises that we teach. I'll give you some real situations. Okay, what you need to learn to get started with performing US IP paralegal work. Few things you need to do to build your track record. Okay, internships with startups. If you're a law student, gigs for startups, I strongly recommend that you intern with Indian software as a service startups and US tech startups, right? If you're a law student, especially. Interning with US startups will give you street cred. Street cred, you understand what is street cred, right? An experience that will put you into a different league. Yet, they are very easy to score. These kind of experiences are very easy to score with virtually no competition, as US law students do not try for this internship with startups, right? If you are a lawyer, start by doing pro bono, low bono work for high potential startups like the ones I showed you from top accelerators around the world. Who here feels that you need guidance in writing articles, or that you tried publishing and did not happen? You're not able to publish articles. Did that happen to you? Okay. Writing is a very important skill. Here is how our team helps. They conduct weekly groups training sessions to teach you writing step by step. They give you resources, study materials, and recording to learn how to write. One-on-one sessions with you are also scheduled on request so that you can get started with your article writing work. You have the opportunity to publish on our blog, which is one of the largest blogs in the world with 2 million readers per month. And if you follow the instructions and write your article will help you to publish. even in other platforms. Client empowerment coach. You know how sports teams hire a psychologist to work on the performance of their players. We hired a psychologist to boost the motivation level of our students on one-on-one calls. Placement coaches. Placement coaches share opportunities with you, provide mentoring and career guidance over calls and weekly sessions, CV review, mock interviews. Our placement office have helped learners crack 800 jobs and internship opportunities since pandemic, successfully reaching 100 per month. Okay, we will guide you on how to start earning even when you, right? We had promised that we would give you a scholarship offer that would make it very easy and no-brainer to enroll in the relevant courses. Now is the time. So who wants to hear the offer? Who is interested? Right? Interested if you want to hear the offer. 3 courses. What are the 3 courses? One is certificate course in US intellectual property law and paralegal studies. Second course is diploma in intellectual property, media and entertainment laws. And then there's a third course, which is introduction to intellectual property and media law practice. What will you learn? Coverage of all subjects from learning US, Indian and domestic intellectual property law, including international drafting for contracts relating to intellectual property law.